The news by Shanewz. So I need all you bird-ass boxing channels to do some receipts now, man. The year is coming to an end. The year is coming to a close, man. Where are your stats at? You know, fuck the views. I want to see the stats. Bird-ass boxing channels. Where are the stats, bird-ass boxing channel? How many fights did you cover? How many fighters did you help? Bird-ass boxing channels. Bird-ass boxing channels. What have you accomplished in 2023 to make you so successful? The news by Shanewz. That's all I wanted to know. Bird-ass boxing channels. Got it! Yeah, I got skills. What you think? Look how my chicken came out. The sauce.